The Nike Air Max 95 continues its seasonal evolution with a refined new look arriving in fall 2025, the Team Gold colorway. Honoring Sergio Lozano's original 1995 design, this updated version keeps the silhouette's signature build intact while adding thoughtful touches of warmth and luxury. The upper is dressed in a crisp white mix of mesh, canvas, and tumbled leather, setting the stage for understated yet striking gold accents. Team Gold stitching traces the shoe's signature wavy side panels and also appears on the lace loops, tongue logo, and embroidered heel swoosh. Below, the classic Air Max midsole stays clean and white, while subtle gold tints on the air units and traction pods tie the whole look together. Elegant yet sporty, the Air Max 95 Team Gold is perfect for cooler months but works just as well as a late summer standout. Expect its release via Nike.com and select retailers later this year.